Hi everyone, in this video, we're going to dive deep into a fantastic feature of Kotlin that makes working with text much easier and more readable: string templates. You'll often find yourself needing to combine text with variable values or even complex expressions to form a new string. In many programming languages, this can lead to verbose and difficult-to-read code, especially with traditional string concatenation. But Kotlin offers an elegant solution with string templates. Let's break down everything you need to know about them, from basic usage to more advanced scenarios. What are string templates? At its core, string templates are a feature in Kotlin that allows you to easily embed variables or expressions directly within a string literal. This drastically reduces the need for cumbersome string concatenation operations, making your code cleaner, more concise, and significantly more readable. Think about how you might combine text and variables in Java. You'd typically use the plus operator like hello, plus name plus exclamation point. This works, but it can quickly become messy with many variables or complex expressions. Kotlin's string templates solve this problem beautifully. Basic syntax: embedding variables. The simplest way to use a string template is to embed a variable directly into a string literal. You do this by prefixing the variable name with a $sign, $symbol. Let's look at an example. Imagine we have a name variable, and we want to print a personalized greeting. Prints, my name is Marcin. In this code, $name inside the double-quoted string is automatically replaced by the value of the name variable. It's that straightforward. This is equivalent to Java's string concatenation. My name is plus name, but is much more compact and just as efficient. The expressions are also statically checked, so if you try to refer to a variable that doesn't exist, your code won't even compile. Embedding arbitrary expressions. String templates aren't just for simple variables. They become even more powerful when you need to embed arbitrary expressions. For this, you enclose the expression in curly braces after the $sign, $symbol. This allows you to perform calculations, call functions, or apply conditional logic directly within your string. Here's an example where we convert the name to uppercase. Prints, my name is Igor. Notice how name to uppercase is evaluated, and its result is inserted into the string. You can even include conditional statements inside your string templates. For instance, to greet someone by name or default to someone if the name is blank. Imagine reading input from the user. If input is blank, hello someone. If input is Alice, hello Alice. In this example, the if expression if name.is blank, someone else name is evaluated first, and its result, either someone or the actual name, is then inserted into the string. This demonstrates how powerful and flexible embedded expressions can be. Escaping the $sign. What if you actually need a literal $sign, $symbol, in your string and don't want it to be interpreted as the start of a template? Kotlin provides a simple way to escape it. Just use a backslash symbol before the $sign. Prints $x. This tells the compiler to treat the $ as a regular character, not a template placeholder. Multiline strings with triple quotes. Another fantastic feature that complements string templates is multiline strings, also known as triple-quoted strings. These strings are enclosed in 3 double quotes and can contain any characters, including line breaks, without needing escape sequences for special characters like \n or \t. This is incredibly useful for embedding large blocks of text, such as poems, SQL queries, or HTML, XML fragments, directly into your code. String templates work seamlessly with triple-quoted strings. Here's an example. Using trim indent for clean formatting. In this example, the $city template is evaluated within the multiline string. A common utility function used with triple-quoted strings is trim indent. This function removes the common leading whitepaste from all lines, allowing you to indent your multiline string in your source code for readability without that indentation appearing in the final output. Without trim indent, the whitespace from your code's indentation would be preserved in the output, potentially causing incorrect formatting. Triple-quoted strings are also useful because you don't have to escape backslashes. For instance, a Windows-style path like C //users //user //docs can be written as C:\users /user /docs. This is particularly helpful for including expected output in tests, such as HTML, XML, or JSON, without clumsy escaping. Benefits and conciseness. To summarize, string templates offer significant advantages. Conciseness. They allow you to combine strings and values with much less code compared to traditional concatenation. Readability. The embedded expressions make it very clear what parts of the string are dynamic and how they are derived. Safety. Just like other Kotlin features, string templates are statically checked, meaning compilation errors will occur if you reference non-existent variables, preventing runtime bugs. Expressiveness. They enable you to write string formatting in a way that closely resembles natural language. Under the hood, how Kotlin compiles string templates. For those interested in how this works behind the scenes on the Java Virtual Machine, JVM. When targeting JVM 1.8, the Kotlin compiler typically translates string concatenations, including those from string templates, into code that creates a string builder and appends the constant parts and variable values to it. For JVM 9 or above, the compiler uses more efficient dynamic invocations via invoke dynamic for string concatenations. It's important to note that when you use standard Java strings like java.lang string, Kotlin doesn't create any additional wrapper objects. It works directly with the existing Java string types, ensuring seamless interoperability and no performance penalties. Key takeaways. Use $to embed variables, println, hello $name. Use $to embed expressions, println, result, $2 + 2. Escape literal dollar with $, println, price $10. Use triple quotes. For multiline strings where templates also work, val HTML equals p user, $name/p. Remember trim indent for nicely formatted multiline strings in your code. String templates are a simple yet powerful feature that you'll use constantly in Kotlin. They are an excellent example of Kotlin's pragmatic design philosophy, making common tasks easy and enjoyable. That concludes our deep dive into string templates in Kotlin. In our next video, we'll dive into Kotlin's next component. So see you guys in the next lecture.